Hey everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to change your default browser in Windows 10. By default, Windows 10 comes with Microsoft Edge as the default web browser. However, if you prefer using Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, Microsoft makes it easy to switch. Let's dive right in and change your default web browser in just a few clicks. Step 1. Accessing default apps. First of all, to begin, click on the Windows icon on your taskbar to open the menu. In the search bar, type Default Apps, and then you'll see Default Apps in the list of search results. Click on Default Apps from the list to open the Default App screen. Step 2. Opening Default Apps. Here we are in the Default App screen. Now, you need to look for the option that's currently associated with the web browser. Show the host navigating to the web browser option in the default app screen. Click on the web browser option and a menu called Choose an App will appear, displaying a list of web browsers installed on your Windows 10 computer. Step 3. Selecting the default web browser. Now it's time to choose your preferred web browser from the list. Let's say you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser. Simply click on Google Chrome from the list, selecting Google Chrome as the default web browser. Congratulations! Your selected web browser is now set as your default. From this point on, whenever you click on any links that open a web browser on your computer, they will automatically open in your default web browser. That's it, you've successfully changed your default web browser in Windows 10. Let me know in the comments below which browser you prefer to use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like or subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.